Both contestants are ready, so we will begin in 3, 2, 1, fight. Spin up to speed. Pushinator coming in instantly, getting underneath, totally avoiding the weapon. Good job there. Spin a little bit backwards, trying to get himself turned around. A little difficult with that spinning weapon on top. And yeah, sure enough, that over spinning bar is a little bit too high to really hit Pushinator. Just kind of drives up on top of him. So that's going to work out well for Pushinator, holding Spin up against the wall in the corner there. But Spin does manage to sneak out. Ryan once again, Pushinator getting behind him, trying to push him towards the side. Taking his time there, trying to line up a hit. Definitely a good idea to not just go running in quickly. Bounce off of the red hazard there as Pushinator lines him up towards it. Spin keeping the weapon towards Pushinator is kind of his best hope there, as Pushinator ends up going slightly up the front and a little bit into the weapon, although still barely nicking it, just taking a little bit off the paint, not able to get a good hit on that spinning weapon at that height against such a low robot. Spin trying to get turned around right, but Pushinator definitely a much easier or perhaps just better driven robot, a really good control of keeping it faced the right direction. Over towards the red hazard now, getting very close to that blue push out. Spin backing away cautiously as Pushinator tries to find a good route around. Fair enough, you don't really want to come from the side. You'd way rather get out into the center and then push directly out. Now over on opposite sides of the blue hazard, Dan bouncing off of it with Spin. Pushinator maybe overturning just a little bit as he was trying to quickly get around that corner, and now chasing him around over towards the red starting area. But both of these fairly fast turning robots, but I think Pushinator's got a little bit of an advantage in his ability to control his robot. I don't see that Spin is able to really grab the arena floor quite as well. It has a tendency to kind of fly out on a sharp turn. Minute 15 still on the clock, and Dan is trying his best. Geez, that was close. Thankfully, his weapon actually bounced him back into the arena as he got very close to that blue push out, and Pushinator once again running up behind him, being very aggressive, showing a lot of control here, getting a lot of close opportunities for a push out, but not quite there. But here's one coming very close to the edge. Daniel doing a great job of patiently backing away, getting away from that side push out. That could have been out very quickly. Pushinator, another fast draw, and out the side it goes. The win goes to Ryan and Pushinator. Congratulations.